in here and I boiled all my ingredients together except for the shrimp. I'm gonna empty this in this bowl. Hopefully I don't spill it all over the stove. Okay. Go. Dry fish that I cooking. I'm gonna put some water in here, like a cup of water, but it's gonna be the same water from here. Just empty the whole thing in here. All right, I'll do that later. I'm gonna add my shrimp. You still need to guess what I'm cooking here though. You still have to guess. And I'm not gonna tell you, because I expect you to know. Let's see. This is the secret weapon right here. Secret weapon. So good. Now guess what this is. Guess. We're playing the guessing game. So guess what this is. I'm gonna empty this in my pot of goodness. Look, can you guess by just looking at it? I will tell you later on, but you have to guess. Don't need that anymore. And I also went ahead and I blend my okra after I cook it along with the ingredients. So see how pasty it is. Is that even a word? Pasty. Empty it in here. Mix it up. Now this, the only thing in here that's not cooked is the shrimp. And so this is just gonna go on for like few minutes and then I take it out just for the shrimp to just cook. And you know the shrimp is not a hard meat to cook. Get everything else. And so the shrimp has, as soon as I put it in the pot, it already started to cook. And so look, see how slippery this is? I know you know that's okra in here, but what I add in with the okra, that's what you need to keep you out. Now I'm going to put the rest of my ingredients in here after. And the rest of my ingredients is just the meat, the chicken, the dry fish, the pig feet. That's the rest of my ingredients. Once I drop those in here, the food's ready. Hopefully when my husband comes, it will be ready. So you can see here, this is a nice goodness food. My shrimp is already turning red. I have it on medium low here, so I mix everything up. And now what I'm gonna do is put my ingredients in here, in my pot. And once I'm done putting my ingredients in the pot, I'm just gonna mix it up a little more just to make sure everything all mix up. And dinner is served. Now some of the fish in here has bones and scales that I have to remove, and that's what I'm doing right now. Removing all of it. I think I should bring that in front so I can be able to handle it better. This is what we call dry fish. When you cook the fish with all the scales and bones, it gives the food that extra flavor. And so, but the only work is you have to be patient to remove the bones and all that stuff out, because you don't want to be swallowing bones when you eat or chewing on bones when you eat. So I'm gonna keep doing this, and then when I'm done, I will be showing you how it all turned out. Okay, so watch out for the next video. So you see my pot here. So I'm gonna drop all this. Oh boy, camera girl. All this will go in here, but after I remove all the bones out. So I'm gonna reduce the heat now to number 2, because the soup is ready. When I'm finished dropping everything in, then I'll put in the last ingredients while you're on watching me. All right?